sources for the latest severe The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Robertson County in central Texas, northern Milam County in central Texas, east central Bell County in central Texas, southern Falls County in central Texas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rosebud, or 12 miles northwest of Cameron, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marlin, Cameron, Hearn, Rosebud, Calvert, Bremen, Lott, and Buckholz. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.